Hello student, good morning. Are you ready? I am going to discuss coordinate geometry. This is the chapter 26th. What do you mean by the coordinate geometry? The location of points and their relationship with different geometrical figures is called coordinate geometry. Now, first heading this coordinate geometry, dependent and independent variable. What do you mean by dependent and independent variable? In linear equation 3x plus 4y equal to 5 and next x minus 3y plus 8 equal to 0 and next y equal to ms plus c. In these the letter x and y are variables. If linear equation expressed as with y as a subject of formula, then y is called a dependent variable and x is a independent variable. For example, y equal to 3x minus 6. Here y is a subject of formula, so that it is a dependent variable. X in this 3x minus 6, x is a independent variable. Similarly, y equal to 5 minus x by 6, y is as a subject of formula, so that it is a dependent variable and x is a independent variable. If x is a subject of formula, then x is a dependent variable and y independent variable. For example, x equal to 5y plus 7, x is as a subject of this formula, so that this is a dependent variable and y independent variable. In the second example, x equal to 7 minus 2 y by 5. Here x as a subject of formula, so that it is a dependent variable and y independent variable. Ordered pair. What do you mean by ordered pair? An ordered pair means a pair of two objects taken in specific order. Two objects taken in specific order. For the number in ordered pair written with a comma. For the example 5, 7, this is ordered pair, number of ordered pair. This is also number in ordered pair minus 6, 8, and this is also number in ordered pair 0, minus 6, and similarly 5, 0. In the ordered pair A, B, A is called first component and B is called its second component. For the example, here 5, 7, 5 is the first component of ordered pair and 7 is the second component of ordered pair. And for the another example, 0, minus 6. In 0, minus 6, 0 is the first component of ordered pair and minus 6 is a second component of ordered pair. Ordered pair 4, 3 and 3, 4 are different. Means 4, 3 not equal to the 3, 4. If two ordered pairs are equal, their corresponding components are equal. For example, if A comma B, this order pair is equal to the another order pair C comma D, then it is possible only when A equal to C and B equal to D. It implies that A equal to C and B equal to D. For example, here 5, 6 may be written 5, 6. It is possible only when 5 in the first order pair 5 is equal to the 5 and 6 is equal to the 6. And order pair can have both its component equal, as for the example 5 comma 5, both the components are equal, 5 and 5. Similarly, another example minus 6 and minus 6, these are both the equal. Cartesian plane. What is Cartesian plane? A Cartesian plane consists of two mutually perpendicular number lines, such as in the figure x horizontal line x o x dash and y o y dash are the perpendicular number lines intersecting each other at their zeros O. Therefore, we can say horizontal line x o x dash is called the x axis and vertical line y o y dash is called the y axis. The point of intersection of these two lines means x axis and y axis, O is called origin. Coordinate of points starting from origin, measure the distance of point along the x axis. This distance is called x coordinate or abscissa of the point. And starting from the origin O, measure the distance of point along y axis. This distance is called y coordinate or ordinate of points. Coordinate point written in order pair as abscissa ordinate. First component known as abscissa, second component or ordinate x, y. Here x is abscissa, y is ordinate. Quadrants and sign convention. There are 4 quadrants. The x axis x o x dash and y o y dash divide the plane into 4 quadrants. Starting from ox anti-clockwise direction, x o y is known as first quadrant. All the elements of the ordered pair with the positive sign means abscissa and ordinate both of positive sign with positive sign. And second y o x dash is known as second quadrant and its abscissa with negative and ordinate with a positive here. And y x o y dash, the third quadrant, and both the component means abscissa and ordinate with the negative sign, and y dash o x fourth quadrant positive abscissa with positive and ordinate with a negative. Plotting of points, plot the points. Let us consider, take graph paper and draw the axis x o x dash and y o y dash. X o y dash horizontal axis known as x axis, and y o y dash is known as vertical axis. They intersect at the origin. Now for the example 4.2, on the graph paper, one big box equal to, consider 1 unit along the x axis. Similarly, one big box equal to 1 unit along the y axis. For this 4.2, 4 unit distance along the x axis and 2 unit distance along the y axis. This point you will get at this intersecting point from the y and x p 4 2. Similarly, the another point 5 minus 3, 5 along the x axis and minus 3 along the y dash axis, that is q, with the 5 unit along the x axis you can see, and 3 unit along the y axis. This is the 5 minus 3 point q. Thus we can plot the graph. Now all of you complete the exercise 26a.